When you need to change the Printhead open sensor, the green lever on the front, you close it and it moves down. If you open it, it goes back up. Here's a sensor right here. It's the black little sensor here.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
And as you see, when I shut this, it's not even lined up with it, so it can't tell when the printhead's closed. There is 2 screws in the back here that use a T10 bit to open up. If you loosen both of those, then you can move your sensor to wherever you need to where it can see that bar, and then it knows when it's closed. Once you get it right where you want it, you tighten it up, and then it should be good. A lot of times when you see an error of the labels just keep printing out, that's usually because the sensor's not lined up or the sensor is bad itself.